So you can do it really soft, and it's clean when it starts off, just like a guitar, you know, until you reach like 8, from 8 to 10, this stuff starts kicking in. And you can just...
So like in this one I have resonators set up, so when you play notes, I'm just tapping this this pad over here. Start to feedback, so it's an acoustic loop.
This one goes to either.
So that's one of the things it can do. Because it has audio input, you can process. But the interesting thing about this one too is that it has 2 different MIDI streams. So you have a MIDI stream that comes in through the traditional MIDI, which I've got this key step hooked up here. But there's also MIDI that's I'm converting it, getting from control voltage. So we've set it so the way this patch is set up, I have performance information from the MIDI going into a control voltage converter, and that's hooked up here. And then the key step is hooked up over here, so you can play. So you can play on a keyboard and get polyphonic.
Still use the controller.
Still use the controller. So you sort of get, you know, it's really nice. And what it's doing too, this is a complete MP synthesizer. It's taking the single channel from this key step and converting it into multi-channel information. And that's how it can work with multiple channels. Well, this was thanks to all the changes that we've done here are thanks to our partnership and partially with Expressive E, because we had to come up with a new Eagan Matrix PCB design. And so that made us rethink what the Continuum was and rethink what other possibilities were. And so we ended up with the Eagan Matrix module.